Okay, look at this. I'm gonna come here and then I'm gonna write here let, okay, basket, okay, equal to is gonna be a array like this. Now, what's the reason for making the basket? The main reason for making the basket is that, one second, let me just fold this code, okay, like this. The main reason for writing the basket here is that every time you select any card, okay, what it's gonna do is gonna store the data inside our basket to tell specifically which items did we select it. Okay, you got my point? Now let me show you an example. Let's say that we have selected this card. Okay, so if you select on the plus, what will happen is that, look at this, here a object will be generated. Okay, inside this object we're gonna have two items stored. Look at this, we're gonna write here id colon, this will have the unique id, okay, and then comma, we're gonna have a item here where the number will be just 1, which means that we have this item inside our basket and the quantity is just 1 piece. Okay, every time you click on the plus, something like this, look, every time I click on the plus like this, so what will happen is this is 18, number 18, the number 18 will get added here. At the same time, so since you selected this thing, so this thing will be existing in your basket by storing the ID here. Let me show you a live demo. Look at this. First of all, I'm going to remove the thing, okay? I'm going to keep it blank like this. Look at this, guys. Now, I'm going to scroll down here inside the increment, okay? Now, guys, inside the increment, every time when the user clicks on the increment, this function will run, which means that, look at this, here I'm going to write basket, okay? Basket dot push. So what will I push inside here? Look at this, okay, bracket, curly bracket. We're gonna push two things. First of all, the ID, okay? So do you see this ID here, selected item dot ID? Copy the thing, put it here like this. Okay, now we're gonna put here comma. Now the next thing that we're gonna put is item, okay, colon. Now we're gonna put here 1 like this. There we go, save the thing. Now listen, next thing that we're gonna do is, instead of console logging the ID, we're gonna console log the basket. Look at this, basket, okay, save the thing. Guys, now cut the thing from here like this, Control X. Now put it after the push like this, okay, save the thing. Let's come back here, guys, open the console. One second, let's come here and open the console. Okay, look at this, every time you click on the plus, look at this, you're gonna have 1 item inside your basket. This is your basket, guys. Look at this, how many items do you have? You have just 1. Okay, now if you open up this one, you're gonna see that you can see that the ID got stored and then the item is 1 piece. Now guys, look at this, every time you click on the plus, you can see the basket getting increased. If you open up this one, look at this, the same item gets added again and again and again. It doesn't make any sense, guys. Instead of doing this thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the item number here. If you click here 3 times, the item will get changed to 3. Okay, that's our approach, not this approach. Okay, this doesn't make any sense. It is just wasting our space here. Okay, in order to make the thing, look at this, let's just come back to the main.js. Okay guys, inside here we're gonna make a search function. Okay, the main objective of the search function is that it's gonna search whether the thing actually exists on the basket or not. Let me show you. Okay, so look at this one, guys. How many items can you see here? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 identical items. It doesn't make any sense, right? So the search function will search. Let's say that you selected this one. The search function will search whether this thing actually exists on the basket or not. If it exists, only the item will increase. Okay, the item will increase like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, but if it doesn't exist, then what will happen is that you see this push here, is gonna push a new object inside our basket, and then we can see the object. Okay, I really hope that you understood my point of view. Okay, let's make the thing. Okay, now look at this, you're gonna come here and then you're gonna make a let search. Okay, then you're gonna write here equal to, you're gonna select the basket like this. Okay, basket dot find. Okay, one second. So using this find, we're gonna search whether the object actually exists or not. Okay, now inside here you're gonna write here bracket. Inside here you're gonna write ES6 arrow function, something like this. Okay guys, now look at this, we're gonna write here X. You can write here anything you wish, no problem guys. So for this tutorial, I'm just gonna pass X as an argument. Okay, the main reason for passing this argument is that it's gonna check all the objects one by one. Okay, that's why I wrote this X. Now inside here, what I'm gonna do is I will do this ID here, this is unique. Okay, so I will just search for IDs, something like this. Look, you're gonna come here and then you're gonna write here x.id. Okay, you're gonna write here triple equal to sign. Next up, do you